What's the goal? The goal is to make a performance-focused game engine because I don't like the direction that Unreal is headed. So basically, it's keep the renderer that Godot has and rip everything dynamic out from on top of it. To make games, there's not much point in making an engine as a challenge. That's a big project. No, I don't like. So the thing is, I'm just a normal programmer, like not a game developer. Like I have plenty of like code, just normal code. That's this project right here is the one I'm working on right now. But like I've got a good, you know, tons of projects. So it really irritates me when game engines introduce their own scripting language on top of the already like dozens of languages that exist that are probably more performant anyway, to be perfectly honest. So the fact that Unreal in Unreal 6 is pivoting to Verse, which is yet another scripting language instead of what they already have, which is C++ for game logic, which is what I liked about it. Um, I that was like the last one that used native code as, you know, game logic. So it really irked me that that they're moving away from it. So the end goal is to make an engine that just supports native code for game logic. And writing a renderer from scratch is downright insane. So forking Godot and using their renderer and then ripping out everything on top of it was just the most practical like engineering decision. Still open source. I'm not even on 5. I'm on 4. And I'm on a source built version of 4 at that. Check it out. So this is the this is the directory for Unreal Engine itself. This is the code base. And actually, I don't know if you saw, but if you looked closely at my GitHub, I'm actually in the Epic organization because that's how you get access to the source code for Unreal Engine. So I know I don't have to go to 6, but I don't like 5 either. 5 is too heavy. See the issue with that? Why not just make my... Have you been listening to me at all for the past however many minutes? Because once I'm done with the game, then what? By the time that's done, the tools I like have become obsolete, and now I just have nothing else to use. Like, come on. Listen to what I'm saying. Bummer. I'm not offended, but like I answered the question already. Like you just got to put a little, you know, elbow grease into the logic. Also, you're telling me there's no problem with not a single game engine offering native code options. I mean, that might not be an issue for you. That's a big problem for me though. So I see it as a very, very large gap in the industry because it is one. Like there just isn't an option there for people like me.